Euronews.green, also known as Euronews.com. Babies are full of microplastics. An innocent baby, unaware of the microplastics in her. Is this real? Like, this is such a good caption. Like, an innocent baby, unaware of all the microplastics in her. What the fuck? That is some real good stuff. This is some great content. So, worrying research finds that babies have 15 times more microplastics in their bodies than adults. Microplastics are tiny pieces of plastic less than 5 millimeters in size, about the thickness of a €2 coin. Microplastics are used in a variety of industries, including cosmetics, biotechnology, washing products, and drug capsules. But they can also be created when plastic objects are broken down. That can be from something as simple as washing synthetic clothes under a tap. Another way microplastics can be broken down is through chewing on a dummy. I don't know what that means. Microplastics can be broken down through chewing on a dummy. Thank you for quoting that. I don't know what that means. The researchers believe that the way babies are consuming such high levels of microplastics is through true chew toys, like dummies. And from, what is a dummy? Like a pacifier? Is that what that is? A pacifier? The team looked at two common kinds of microplastics, polyethylene and terephthalate, and polycarbonate. To find PET and PK, they examined the levels of microplastics in the samples of feces from 10 adults and 6 babies in New York State, US. In all the samples, they found at least one type of microplastic, meaning it's very likely that some microplastics are in grown-ups too. But when comparing the baby samples to adults, the researchers found at least 10 times as much. Why are microplastics a problem? Unfortunately, the jury is still out on what exactly the effects of microplastics are on human health, but there's increasing concern that they can be very damaging when ingested. The smallest pieces are able to cross cell membranes and enter our circulation, folks. Freaking the fuck out on this one. Mila in the chat, have you read your Twitter? Like, what's going on there? It's apparently taking you 15 years to read fucking Twitter. Scientists used to believe microplastics would pass harmlessly through the gastrointestinal tract, but recent research suggests the smallest pieces are able to cross cell membranes and enter our circulation. This is concerning because research on microplastics in lab animals has caused cell death, inflammation, and metabolic disorders. Reminder, folks, 88% of Americans have metabolic syndrome. That means, in other words, they don't eat properly, and I'm sure that this contributes to that statistic as well. So anyway, babies. Here's a photo of an innocent goddamn baby, unaware of all the microplastics that are currently crossing her cell membranes. Can you believe that shit? Crazy motherfucking shit. Crazy motherfucking shit, folks. Crazy shit. Which site is that? Euronews.green, also known as Euronews.com.